Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we just finished a video and we're starting another one because I was excited to do this part. I was waiting for the cowl delete. And now that we did the cowl delete, we're gonna remove the air box and we're gonna do an AFE power intake. And this used to be installed in another car, however, actually this car, but the owner took it out because I guess the filters were dirty and then he ended up just keeping it. So now I have it and I bought new filters. Or just the factory AFE filters that we're gonna put in it, brand new, pre-oiled. I'll show you guys here, and these bad boys are gonna go in there in our little spot there. So got new filters, got a used AFE intake set up. So we got where the actual intakes are gonna connect to. We got the plate where it's gonna get the ram air. And if you guys look in the grill here, there's already has the canards for the ram air, so that those pick up air and push it into our cold air intake system. So let's start by removing this intake box and then getting this guy installed. Should be pretty simple. So let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna remove, actually that clip's broken. We're gonna remove this hose, so you just pinch both of these clips and you pull up. All right, there it is, out, all right. Next, we're gonna pop the box. We gotta pull this plastic off of the box. Here we go. And we got a little flat head screwdriver we're gonna loosen this box up with. I'm gonna remove this guy as well. If you guys see back here, there's the same thing, another hose with a Phillips head. Pop that guy loose and run your screwdriver down to where you can just push it off. All right, now box is loose, and we got on the box we got a couple of grommets that hold these wires on, and we're gonna pop those off too. So pop those grommets in 3. All right, now we can just kind of lift the box out, make sure we're guiding those hoses out, and box is gonna lift right on out. Boom. There's our box, a little dirty. Where those grommets were, these locations, is where our new box is gonna go. So let's see here. Obviously this is where the ram air is gonna come in. So we know the orientation. We know we need to go here. Let me see how it goes. Okay, so it goes down like so. All right, we're in. All right, so let's snap the hose back on here. All right, we'll put our cold air in. Ram air right through there. Now through these guys right here is where we're gonna connect our pipe. Here's this. So let's get that started. Put these guys in. Take our screw out. I just put one of my own Allen wrench black screws there. All right, get those back into the intakes. There we go, both sides are in. We're gonna connect our screw. This goes together really easy. You just basically put this trim set on. If you buy it new and you just do exactly how I'm doing it here. There we go. Now we're gonna connect those hoses back up with our screwdriver. So get it on there pretty tight. Make sure you're up on it. Tighten that down. All right, now we're in. And our bands, we'll stick those on. And I wanna get the seam down. So let's go here, stick those on like so, and get that 8mm tightened up. All right, check that out. All right, and I'll probably end up painting these black. All right, that's tight. And that looks pretty darn good. So I guess one thing left to do, and that's start it up and let's see if it sounds any different. It should have a little bit more noise to it. So let's check our connections. Our hose is back on. Everything's good. And if you guys don't already know, it's not far from getting a charge pipe with a blow-off valve. Now that we have all that opened up, it's time for that as well. Basically, your charge pipe is right here from this connection to this connection. Blow-off valve would go somewhere around here, and then we got our vacuum hoses right here. These guys get blocked off. So not too long from now, we're gonna have that going on. So let me get in the car, start it up, and let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, I think that sounds pretty good. So that's a quick and easy air filter mod, and you can go with the dual cones like David has on his car. You can go with these, you can go with whatever you like. The thing I like about these is how you get the direct air from the canards to go straight in and get into the air filters. It does seal around here with the top here, so it's not completely unsealed box. However, the seal is probably not going to be the best seal overall, but neither are the cones. If you're using the dual cones, there's no seal there. So this is a little bit more of a direct air kind of ram air intake. So there you have it. So please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video, which is coming soon with more performance mods and more other mods that we got going on. Thanks guys.